Hi friends! Did you know we can help our kids learn opposite words better by enacting them? I'll tell you how we do this. So the name of the activity is Opposite Words Warm Up Fun. This can be performed by small kids during assembly sessions at school. With the help of this activity, they can have a happy warm-up session before they begin with their academic learning. In this activity, the facilitator has to demonstrate one emotion and the kids have to enact the opposite of it. Happy, 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 happy. Sad. Happy, 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 happy. Sad. Open, 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 open. Close. Open, 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 open. Close. Fast, 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 fast. Slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow. Tall, 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 tall. Short. Tall, 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 tall. Short.